वेल एक्चुअली ये समर फंक 2 है जो मेरा एकेडमी में कोई भी है 4 साल से 80 इयर्स ओल्ड का बच्चा डांस कर सकता है, पर आज स्पेशल है मेरे लिए बिकॉज मेरा दोस्त विक्रम फटनिस, वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड फैशन ऑब्वियसली डिज़ाइनर, बट नाउ अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ अ फिल्म कॉल्ड रुद्यांतर. So for me, Vikram coming here and his cast coming here is like an honor for me because ये पिक्चर बहुत बेहतरीन है और ये मराठी फिल्म है और रीजनल थिएटर में it is very important. So I want Vikram to take over and talk about रुद्यांतर.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप?
हम लोग के लिए तो सोनाली, नित्या और मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है क्योंकि हमारे प्रमोशंस अभी शुरू हुए हैं. हमने हमारी प्रमोशंस पूना के समर फंक में चालू की थी. मेरा और शामक का रिश्ता काफ़ी कुछ 25-27 साल पुराना है और हर समर फंक में अगर मेरा कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो ना हो मैं हमेशा जाता हूँ. भले उसका येस शो हो, सेलकूट शो हो, जो भी उसके शोज़ हुए हैं, इन्होंने आईफा अवार्ड्स के, मेरा और इन शामक दावर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स अकेडमी के स्टूडेंट्स का रिश्ता बहुत गहरा रहा है. तो हमारे लिए तो बहुत ही खास है क्योंकि शामक ने हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है रुद्यांतर को एडवर्टाइज़ करने के लिए, तो हम उसके बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं.
शामक जैसे कि इन्होंने तो आपसे एक्टिंग करवा दी मूवी के अंदर, तो अब आप उनसे डांस करवाने वाले हैं.
विक्रम फटनिस के लिए मैं किया, मैं ज़िंदगी में नहीं करेगा ये. विक्रम फटनिस बोला प्लीज़ आओ. आई सेड I'm sorry, I'm not coming in the movie. I'll choreograph it for you. It's just 2 lines, 5 lines. I said, but मुझे क्यों लाया यार?
इतनी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग उसने किया, आप देख लो फिल्म.
वो इतना मीन है. नहीं, पर ऑनेस्टली रुद्यांतर
हमारे लिए नहीं, भले शामक के लिए जाओ, पर प्लीज रुद्यांतर देखने जाओ. शामक और उसके पूरे 7 जुलाई.
7th जुलाई रुद्यांतर
15 दिन बचे हैं.
प्लीज जाओ. Everyone, you have to see रुद्यांतर. It's a very touching thing that the director Vikram Fadnis has actually honored our academy, the Shamak Davar Academy, and that is a shock. And what a message of a film! The message is phenomenal. So you have to go and see Rudyantar. And Vikram Fadnis, thank you so much for being such a friend and a
thank you for having us today in the beginning of the promotions. हमारी तो खुशनसीबी है कि हमें यहाँ बुलाया गया. हमने पंपूना भी गए थे और जहाँ पे वैसे शामक के स्टूडेंट्स ने जो रिस्पांस दिया was just unbelievable.
And lovely acting, phenomenal acting. And the children also are fantastic. So
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
मेरा रुद्यांतर का मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि मैंने शामुक जी के बहुत डांस परफॉर्मेंस देखे, लेकिन शामुक जी को कभी लाइव में देख सकूंगी ऐसे मैंने सोचा नहीं था. और रुद्यांतर से मुझे उनको देखने को मिला, उनके साथ काम करने को मिला. सो मुझे रुद्यांतर से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. विक्रम सर, शामुक सर, ऋतिक सर, फराह मैम एंड ऐश्वर्या मैम और बहुत से मनीष सर, इनके सबके साथ मुझे काम करने की संधि मिली. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके मैम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जैसे विक्रम ने कहा कि इट्स बीन रियली एन ऑनर टू हैव शामक विद अस विद दिस फिल्म एंड ऑफ कोर्स कि हमें आज यहाँ पे आने का मौका मिला, हमारी फिल्म के बारे में बात करने का मौका मिला. सो वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू हिम एंड आई रियली विश कि मुझे भी थोड़ा डांस करने का इस फिल्म में मौका मिलता. बट येस, ही इज़ डन अ फैब जॉब एज ऑलवेज एंड मोर देन दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी लवली पर्सन. दैट होल पॉजिटिव एनर्जी ऑफ हिज इज़ आई थिंक गोइंग टू हेल्प अस to bring in more and more people to the theatre. So I really thank him for giving a chance to promote our film here. Thank you so much.
lovely actors, fabulous director, fabulous film.
और क्लाइमैक्स का कॉन्सर्ट जो शामक ने किया है, यू हैव टू सी इट हाउ ब्रिलियंटली ही इज डन इट.
और किस तरीके से प्रमोशन देखने वाले मूवी के, जैसे आपने पुणे गए और आज यहाँ पे घर पे आए हैं ध्यान.
अभी 15 दिन ही बचे हैं तो
क्या आने वाला है?
अभी कुछ नया नहीं. इट्स जस्ट फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू नाइट. हम लोग ने सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. मुक्ता कहीं और कर रही है, सोनाली कहीं और कर रहे हैं, बच्चे कहीं और कर रहे हैं, शामक दावर के फंक्स समर फंक्स में. तो आई थिंक एवरी डे वी आर ट्राइंग टू make the most of it. We have 2 weeks left for the release of the film.
Rudyantar 7 July, 7 July, 7 July, 7 July, 7. Lucky number 7. Yeah.
Bas, that's it. My promotion is done. Thank you. Chalo, let's go guys. I won't come.
Make some noise! Good evening, Mr. Isaac Newton. I'm the 5th law of motion right now. Take a Imodium. Okay. So let's invite on stage. First, please make some noise, parents. Are there Pune parents here? Jai Maharashtra. So Let's call on stage Mr. Shamak Davar, the director, Mr. Vikram Fatnis, the lead cast of Hrudyantar. Please come on stage. Mr. Davar's debut in Marathi films. And he spoke such wonderful Marathi. If you want to hear it, he'll sing for you. You want to hear Shamak sing in Marathi? You want to hear Shamak sing in Marathi? Hear him sing.
Come. Anisha, you didn't let them come in the center. You didn't give it to them in the center. You just shoved the flowers there. No, I was singing, but they could have
Guys, but before we move ahead, I'm a little upset. I've been here for the last 2 hours. And I have to say this because I'm really upset about what has happened today. I saw so many acts and everybody said something has inspired them. We saw audio visuals. We saw, some people said, I heard Marzi or Anisha say, and the next act does not need any introduction of this legend. And it was Bruce Lee. And legends are not about people who are gone. Legends can also be living. And we have one on the stage right now. Oh my God. I don't think... It's not about what I saw on stage is exceptional. Summer Funk is about a small duration about what Shamak's batches teach. I've been associated with the Shamak Davar Institute for the Performing Arts over the last 25 years. I think ever since its inception. I have 2 left feet and I can't dance, but I believe in the faith of Shamak Davar and his institute. For everything that it takes, and for everyone he has made move over the last so many years, ever since its inception, I think one huge round of applause for the living legend Shamak Davar. He truly deserves it, because I've been doing costumes in Hindi films over the last 25 years, and I've worked with, I think, practically every celebrity or every person that it takes in Indian cinema. But one energy that, and I have to tell you one thing, that I've never done a film with Shamak. I have never done a costume in a film where Shamak has choreographed. But let me begin to tell you, without having done that, one man who I believe in, one man who I feel is a 5 a.m. friend. I'm not talking about Shamak Davar, the dancer, Shamak Davar, the performer. I'm talking about Shamak Davar, the person, the soul that behind these 2 names called Shamak Davar. His mother's sitting right here, and I think she should feel immensely proud. Generations have come. Parents have put their kids in the Shamak Davar Institute. Their kids have put their kids in the institute. But one thing I've learned about these people who, like all these performers that you saw, from age, I think, 5 to age 80, I think every single person has not come here to prove that they can dance, has come here to prove that they have a soul and they have a heart, which Shamak gives them the faith in.
Parents, thank you for that, for bringing them here.
And you know, there are so many people who say, no, you know, we don't want to put our child in a dance class. We'd rather send them for tuitions. You know, we want a boy or a girl to become so-and-so, so-and-so. No. Shamak is a brand which is a worldwide brand. Today, people all, I'm sorry, I'm going to take this time because I have to say it. You know, worldwide, I mean, I've traveled across the world. We've done so many IFA awards. He's been a part of so many celebrations as far as dance festivals, as far as music concerts go. But people don't want Shamak Davar just because he's par excellence in his profession and he knows the master of the craft. People want him because they know their children tomorrow will grow to be better human beings and even better dancers someday.
You've done a very sweet pass.
Having said that,
you talk about Hrudyantar.
Now I'm coming to my film. Having said that, I directed my first film this year. It's a Marathi film which is subtitled, obviously. What you saw was not subtitled, but my film is subtitled for everybody who doesn't understand the language of Marathi. And I've always believed that art and craft has no medium, has no language. You can go to a cinema hall and see a French film, a Korean film, a Japanese and English. If you walk out of that auditorium with understanding what the director wanted to tell you, half the battle is already won. Hrudyantar is about celebrating life. It is the journey of a family through turbulent times. And Shamak Davar has been an absolute dream. And I mean, I just can't believe it. I called him and I said, Shamak, I'm doing this film. It is not a film on dance. It is the journey of a family, and I feel every boy, every girl, every parent, everybody who has a relationship of a husband and wife, father and daughter, mother and daughter, and two sisters, should enter this auditorium, because you will walk back home with something that you will cherish what you see. It's a very, very simple film, but I have a story to tell. The Shamak Davar Institute of the Performing Arts, whether the kids were in my film, whether he put 50 people in the final concert in the film, or a Marzi, or Anisha, or I don't even, or but it was Puneet. I'm sorry if I don't take a few names over here. But everybody, Rajesh, who was instrumental in putting this whole thing together. I feel everybody, Mazi, just the whole, the Shamak Davar team, from day one, whatever I wanted, and I want to tell you, I take great pride in telling you that this man has not charged me a single rupee to do this film. I think he deserves a round of applause for that. I'm doing a small film, I'm doing a simple film. I needed the support of a friend, I needed the support of a guide. I needed the support of somebody who believes in me and believes in the faith, believes in Hrudyantar and the story that I want to tell. And over 1 second, Shamak Davar has said, I am doing this project. Not only as a choreographer, but he's also acted in the film. And that's all I want to say. I just want to tell everyone, whether you live in Bombay, Pune, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, whichever part of the world, whether it's Vancouver, Australia, wherever this is streaming live, wherever this goes.
This is going to go all over the world, because you have not only the support of me and my dance company, my family and my loved ones, but my family and loved ones of these parents and students that are going to go on the 7th of July and watch Hrudyantar. If you love me, go and see it. Just go and see it.
I'm going to give the mic now to Sonali, and then to my two little children, Nitya and Nasha, whose first film it is, and you will be surprised with what an incredible job these two little girls have done. So I'll first give the phone. I said I'll give the mic to Sonali, and she'll have a few words.
Hi everyone, hello, and I want all of you to give a big round of applause to all these lovely people who performed here and people who worked really hard to put up this show. I saw every single dance and they were so outstanding. And now talking about Hrudyantar, I think Vikram has said a lot, but I just want to say one thing, that people who love art, all of you who are here, they love dance, they love music, they love art, and people who love art, music, dance, they love life. And this film will teach you how to celebrate your life, how to live your life. And I would really request you all that please go on the 7th of July and just see what the life is all about. Thank you so much.
मी विक्रम सरांची खूप थँक्स म्हणेन की त्यांनी मला या फिल्मसाठी सिलेक्ट केलं. म्हणजे सरांनी जेव्हा मला आमच्या ह्रदयांतर फिल्ममध्ये ऋतिक सर आहेत, सो त्या सरांनी आम्हाला ऋतिक सरांच्या व्हॅनिटीमध्ये खास घेऊन गेले आणि मग आम्हाला त्यांची ओळख करून दिली. आणि ऋतिक सर स्वतः म्हणाले की आम्हाला तुमच्याकडनं काहीतरी शिकायला मिळतं. सो थँक्यू विक्रम सर अँड थँक्यू ऑल आर्टिस्ट. थँक्यू.
नमस्कार. आज ह्या ठिकाणी आम्हाला शामक सरांच्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये ह्रदयांतरचं प्रमोशन करायला मिळतं आहे. सो त्याच्यासाठी मी शामक सरांना खूप थँक्यू म्हणेन, कारण की ह्या फिल्ममुळे मला शामक सरांची स्टाईल शिकायला मिळाली, त्यांचे थोडंसंच शिकायला मिळालं, पण ते पण माझ्या सदैव स्मरणात राहील एवढं मला तो विलक्षण अनुभव होता. म्हणजे इथे खूप जण बसले ज्यांनी मला म्हणजे फिल्ममध्ये काय करायचं आहे त्याच्यासाठी शिकवलं आहे. आणि मी विक्रम सरांचे आभार मानेन की त्यांच्यामुळे मला या फिल्मसाठी खूप दिग्गजांना भेटायची संधी मिळाली. आणि तुम्ही सगळेजण 7 जुलैला आमची फिल्म बघायला जा, हीच एवढी विनंती.
I just want to say thank you to Vikram, because not only he's been a wonderful friend, but also a very talented individual. If you know Vikram, when he talks to you, you will create pictures in your mind. He will talk to you so passionately about anything. I'm talking about even if it's a movie he saw, or if it's about his mother, or it's about his relationships, or his big fashion shows. When he talks, he creates a story in your mind, so you can actually picturize it. So from day one, I knew he could easily direct. And actually, Aishwarya and I were meant to do this film in, I think, Hindi, was it?
I'd first written a film in Hindi, which didn't happen, and Shamak and Aishwarya were supposed to do this film.
And that's why Aishwarya came for the music launch and spoke about that how she would love to be directed by Vikram and how she would love to do a Marathi film. And it was from that time, and in the end, God did the right thing. He's a Maharashtrian, he knows the essence of regional theatre and film. And Marathi theatre, as you know, is one of the finest theatres. I mean, I know Vijay Mehta, who did Nag Mandala and all these phenomenal, Sudhir Joshi and all these great actors in Marathi who are actually now in Hindi films. So what I'm trying to say is that theatre and film in Marathi is gonna come really up. And I'm very proud of Vikram that it's happened with his own Maharashtrian essence and directed a really good film. And please don't think he's a sad-looking boy or a very grumpy boy. He doesn't smile, but he's a very happy, funny boy, man.
So without wasting any time, I think we have one or two more performances. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for giving us this opportunity and this platform. Please see Rudyantar on the 7th of July.
No, wait. I want a camera here. No, I want a camera that makes, that you can create the same. Can you get a noise on that? Like if they shout something, can you get that video? No, I want what they shout. If they shout,
we'll do that in next year's summer film.
No, come on now. I'm doing it now. You don't have a camera that makes noise?
Okay, we have to give up the auditorium now. It's time. Come.
No, right
Thank
now.
you so much, ladies.
No, I want to do this now. I want this film to go to places. This is my friend we're talking about, who's a very talented friend. So come on. If we could do that for Boman Irani and Aishwarya and all the people we've, Shahid and everyone. It's my Vikram, which has noise on stage. You're going to shout for me, Rudyantar 7th July. You'll do it for me? Yes. Let's have one practice round, please. I don't know what they'll do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Horrible. Rudyantar. Stop. 7th July. Aste se. Come. 7th July. Ready? You have to watch Rudyantar on 7th July. What do you say, audience? Rudyantar! 7th July! Yeah!
If this is what the missing is, my film is a very big hit. Thank you so much.
We're on right now, okay? Thank you, Bharat. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now,
Can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
Okay, you want me to come here and Vikram will go down. Okay. How have I held this rose basket like this for so long? Look mental. Oh God, Marzi and his rules. We have to give the auditorium in 5 minutes, so we have to hurry up. First of all, Pune, you are fabulous! No, I'm not just saying it. I mean it. Pune, I think little bit chopped Bombay. And I'm not saying this. No. I'm not saying this because of PR or because I'm trying to be fake about Pune and all. No. Pune chopped Bombay. Choppada. Pune instructors, a big hand for you. Sarang, Unmesh, who else? Mike Tejas. Anybody else? Manish, Vinayak, Gitali, Pratiksha,
Karishma Kudratkar. What? Karishma Kudratkar. Mazi. Okay, so now, because of this legend thing and all, I thought we'd do a small piece that I had choreographed recently for the one-year program. And it's a this is not a dance song. This is what I call dance theater. So I just want you to see it. It's really very simple. In fact, I don't think there's much to see in that sense, but you will get a message. And it's about women and how they have to stand up and not walk behind the husband anymore. They have to walk besides or in front. And women, you are all, that means you women are still dabaud. Very bad. You're dabaud still? Women? Yes, someone said yes. No, I didn't mean dabaud in any bad way. I said dabaud means push down. You're a very naughty man. Oh God. My also Hindi is beautiful. So this is a song, very simple song called Kari Kari. I want you to enjoy. And again, I'm saying this to you again. This is not a dance song. This is just a song about a theater of dance, theater.